Thank you so much for coming into our office. I wanted to create these videos to go over the post-operative instructions with you, just in case you had any further questions. You should have received this 2-page sheet. If you did not, please call our office. We're happy to email it to you. But let's go over a few of the main things to consider. It is normal to have some discomfort after a root canal. This is part of the normal healing process. Generally, you'll notice some sensitivity to chewing on the tooth for the next 2 to 4 days, give or take. We generally recommend a combination of ibuprofen and Tylenol to help alleviate that pain. If you look on here, it has the exact instructions for how to do it with the times. And if you were given some at the appointment, your assistant should have written the times to take the next few prescriptions as well. As always, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us our office a call. Now, if you're still having pain after, let's say, 6 to 7 days, there could be something else going on. Please contact our office so we can see you, maybe prescribe you something different, and certainly contact our office if that pain has become excruciating or unbearable.